Estimados amigos, ¿alguna vez escucharon del té de limón y del agua de limón? Pues les diré que es el secreto que algunos estadounidenses lo hacen desde niños, incluso algunas niñas y niños lo venden en sus agüitas de limón, a los adultos y todo, si lo han visto, ¿no? Es un secreto, muchas veces pensábamos que era porque era solamente rica la bebida, pero en este caso el agua de limón tiene muchos antioxidantes y no solo me refiero a la vitamina C. El agua de limón desintoxica la sangre y la purifica. Lo que sí tienen que recordar es que no le deben de poner azúcar. Tienen que acostumbrarse a beberla con 2 o 3 limones y no a diario para que no produzca una úlcera gástrica. Aquí tenemos varios tés de limón. Me cancelaron un video por derechos de autor. Y van a ver que tenemos el limón, el té de limón de Lemongrass Tea. Lemongrass Tea es un té de limón y hay diferentes compañías. Lo importante es que sea 100% té de limón, porque a veces también hay lo que se llama zacate limón. Y yo prefiero la verdad el té de limón que el zacate de limón. Esta marca, que no les voy a decir cuál es. A ver, vamos a ver dónde está. También es de otro país. Y es té de limón, pero también es zacate limón. Tenía una, pero la compañía es así de una como que arcoiris, y no se las puedo decir cuál. Y esa sí era de árbol, o sea, sí era 100% té de limón, y no era zacate de limón. Zacate de limón no creo que sea malo, la verdad es que también es de la tierra y es muy válido, igual que muchos tubérculos o plantas, o todo es bueno, entonces pues no lo he evaluado mucho, pero yo sí me acostumbré al té de limón 100%. Pero pues también tienen el agua natural de limón y pueden probarse con el lemongrass, que es el té de limón de zacate de limón, que no sé cómo sea, y el té de limón 100% que es de la hoja, o sea. Bueno, no zacate limón, ¿no? Que dice zacate limón, pero bueno. No le sé la verdad mucho a esto en el sentido de que sepa toda la variedad y todos los sentidos, y la lima, el limón y los cítricos y todo eso, y que la granada y la... Bueno, muchos tienen conceptos erróneos que yo he investigado y que me doy cuenta. En este caso, este es el tercer té de limón. Y si se fijan, ustedes lo que pueden hacer es una bonita agua de limón. Vean que los limones se dan chiquitos o jovencitos. Recuerden que lo que comemos somos. Entonces si ustedes comen comida joven, o sea, fruta o vegetales, vegetales o carne, que sea de animalitos no tan viejos o no tan muertos, o sea, no te quieres comer una res que ya está en 85 años, ¿verdad? O bueno, si eres carnívoro, o si eres vegetariano, o no te quieres comer una fruta o una verdura tan vieja o tan madura, así como los plátanos macho y todo eso, pues a veces queremos lo más joven, lo más de tamaño en fruta y verdura, lo que menos haya madurado, lo más como el brote, o sea, lo reciente, lo más cercano a las áreas aproximadas al desarrollo de madurez, que nos permita pues obviamente adquirir sus propiedades, pero no tanto sus desechos o toxinas, es decir, no tanto todos los pesticidas y todo, o sea, no haber cargado tanto pesticida y tanto daño en la fruta o la verdura. Es lo mismo con el té de limón, es lo mismo con todo lo demás. Ya he hecho un video de té verde, se los voy a editar y se los voy a subir. Y pues es eso, lo que ustedes necesitan conseguir. Muchas gracias, amigos. Y recuerden, el té de limón y el té matcha o verde son excelentes para rejuvenecer y para la inteligencia. Pero si ustedes quieren investigar acerca del Alzheimer o la demencia y quieren tener una opción más, les recomiendo el betabelo de remolacha. El betabelo de la remolacha es una planta, una bolita roja con unas hojas verdes. Es excelente para la neuroplasticidad y neurogénesis. Claro, también la fisioterapia les va a ayudar bastante porque es rehabilitatoria. Y pues todo lo que ustedes gusten, siempre que les ayude poco a poco, y que sigan un tratamiento como el yoga o el mindfulness, que es meditación, también les recomiendo, de Netflix de Andy. También es excelente si ustedes tienen un problema en el que quieren aumentar más su capacidad de aprendizaje, más su flexibilidad, como el yoga, o su bajar de peso tremendamente. Es lo que más me ha bajado de peso. He hecho ejercicios de muchos tipos y el yoga te baja tremendamente rápido, porque si dejas de hacerlo pues y empiezas a comer pasteles y brownies y cosas así, cupcakes y todo eso, pues vas a subir de peso. En todo caso, si quieren limpiar su cuerpo, limpiar su sangre con agua de limón. Y si quieren evitar problemas de Alzheimer o demencia, recuerden siempre ver la posibilidad de investigar de betabel o remolacha y de los fisioterapeutas, además de la estimulación sensorial y todo eso, y hacer estiramientos y que la circulación sangre fluya. Con el té verde y el té matcha se reduce la posibilidad de que se aumente el colesterol. También pueden comer manzanas, y yo creo que entre más circulación sanguínea fluida, pero tampoco tan fluida, o sea, como la chía. Eviten la chía porque la chía también puede aumentar igual que la cúrcuma, también puede aumentar el riesgo de que se haya dificultades en la coagulación. O sea, que si se cortan, pues que se le batalle para que se cierre la herida, igual que en los otros órganos. Por eso chía y cúrcuma no me gustan mucho. Así que yo prefiero hacerme mi agüita de limón, pero la chía, si está lleno de grasa en las arterias, pues una buena limpiadita. Pero pues si no, la agua de limón sola así está bastante bien. Y si quieres investigar más sobre métodos para evitar el Alzheimer o la demencia, no solo hay libros que también te ayudan bastante. Si necesitan, les puedo recomendar algunos. Yo ahí tengo varios que he leído, o otros que les puedo comentar de la lista, a ver qué tal están, o los puedo leer y ya se los puedo decir si se recomiendo o no. Y el betabel también, por favor, considérenlo, investiguenlo. Y a veces pues también la manera de prevenir las enfermedades es con una buena alimentación y actividad física, media hora diaria. Caminar o trotar es muy bueno. Yoga es excelente, si lo pueden ver, si tienen Netflix, si tienen YouTube, háganlo ahí. Ejercicios cardiovasculares, el baile de las chinitas o cualquier cosa. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego, amigos. Hello my friends, my name is Rafael and I'm going to tell you one of the most important secrets in this planet, in this world, is what we can know as fruits and vegetables. But beyond of these words of fruits and vegetables, there are something hide in this knowledge. This kind of knowledge, it's brought from the most important countries or from the most intelligent countries to get not the tools, the source of beauty and to have longer lives or healthier lives, and not just the usual knowledge about healthier foods that bring us the options to get access, to get antioxidants. I don't know, it's in Spanish. Antioxidative damage in our cells. When we avoid that damage in our cells with antioxidative ingredients that are within our food or our drinks, we can improve our life, we can get younger, we can get a wider vision of life, we can lose weight, we can improve our memory, reduce the Alzheimer dementia. In fact, I can tell you about one book if you want to know more about this. It's about Daniel G. Amen. It's a good psychiatrist, and there are more doctors like like brain doctors neurologist, I don't know how to say it, and it's about how we develop our bodies through food and healthier food, because a few times we are get used to eat junky food. Actually, not just junk food, but also salty food, sweet food, that means metabolic diseases like diabetes, like high blood pressure, and brain damage, blood vessels damage, and more. So this is the main point. We are going to talk about this kind of beverage. It's a beverage. Okay, I didn't read it. I just come to my mind. Okay, this is I'm going to keep I'm going to hide the name of the tea. This is okay. Yes, it's called healthy antioxidants. It's called, as I say, healthy antioxidants. This beverage is the green tea, the best. Okay, the best after the matcha tea. I'm going to explain what is the difference. Green tea is like a kind of leaves from the trees or something like that. Those it's what is in the trees. It's the leaves of the trees, and it's like the dark green it means that it has more chlorophyll, and it's good for the body. But the main beverage is green tea. There are different brands, like this brand. You can see in Mexico we have this brand that is from Walmart. I think that is from that factory enterprise, because they just sell them, but they don't just sell them, but also develop it. Well, not develop it, but they get packaged this kind of tea, the kind of leaves and all that. This is also a good option. Green tea. Remember, green tea, different brands, and this brand is also good. And remember, it's Camellia sinensis, the kind of leaf. But in here you can see Camellia sinensis. I don't know if it's focused. Focus the camera. Okay, Camellia sinensis green tea. It must be 100% of green tea, like lemon, because of other kind of brands sell them with a lot of different kind of sugars, ginger, pimienta, and more. Okay, and this is without coffee, like the caffeine, like decaffeinated. This kind of tea, green tea, decaffeinated, it's good for people that has high blood pressure and all that. But remember the caffeine, like the coffee, it's the caffeine. In the tea is the theine. This kind of component, this kind of ingredients, or this kind of source of healthier, this kind of source for the healthier life provide us not just longer lives, healthier lives, better lives, younger skin, younger bodies, healthier system, and our structures, inner structures, and more. Okay, remember, if you want to pay attention, you want to memorize, if you want to learn a lot, if you want to study, if you want to go beyond the other students, you can drink green tea, a few cups, maybe 2 or 3 each day. It's really good to drink 1, 2 or 3 green teas. Okay, and we have something different. I'm going to hide the brand. It's green tea with raspberry. Green tea is good for the tension, for the reason process, interactions, for everything that is implied in the learning process. So the green tea, I think that is better, and also if you mix it with different deportive activities or different kind of athletic actions, or well, in my own situation, I practice yoga, and I get in focus in what is called mindfulness, full attention. But I haven't practiced it since a lot of time because I have been busy. But I do it. Otherwise, I'm going to lose myself, and I don't want that happens to me. Okay, green tea with raspberry, the best. Because the raspberry is also great for the memory, great for the learning process, like the green tea. And I'm going to tell you about other teas. This is chai green tea. This is sold in the restaurants. It's like milky, it's like sweet, it's good, and it's delicious also. But it has a lot of it has a lot of ingredients that are not as good as I would like. It's better if you have the option. You should buy this because it's pure. The purity of these teas is the best. It's the best option. And here we have other. It's matcha. Matcha is the most important tea in the world. Matcha is mainly source of antioxidants. Matcha is the mainly source of antioxidants. In fact, if I'm not wrong, if I search the good source of knowledge from Japan, that is the healthiest country. Okay, maybe not the healthiest, but they have longer hope of life. The longest hope of life, Japan. Other countries like England also drink green tea, even the British Queen. Okay, I'm going to hide the brand. It's matcha. This matcha is expensive. It's made in South Korea, and in fact, it's delicious. It's okay. Maybe it was bought in Korea and the package it's from that country, or maybe it's built in this country, Mexico. But it's real good. It's real good. It cleans your skin and it keeps you healthier. It makes you feel really, 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 really good. It's the best. It's the best. Matcha is the best. Matcha is like the difference with green tea is that green tea is leaf. Matcha is like the dust, like the dust is like the smallest pieces of the leaf of the green tea, of not just the smallest parts of the green tea, and not just that, it's younger. I mean, like the tomatoes or the baby lettuce that is no salt. The fruits and vegetables where are younger are better. That's my opinion. If you buy fruit and vegetables when they are younger, they are better. For example, the fruits and vegetables, a melon, watermelon, an apple, smallest apples, like babies, but not or kids. But in this case, it's this situation. The matcha is that bunch of the tree. It's the youngest kind of green tea. Maybe that's the reason it's so recognized in Japan. It's ceremonial and premium kinds of green tea, and it's really good. And in fact, when you do exercise, you should prepare it, in fact, with electric energy, or if you want in the stove and the oven, the stove. And if you, I'm crazy for the electric, teteras, for the electric machines to prepare the tea. And well, it's the best. When you want to do exercise, remember matcha or green tea. I have one that I don't want to show you, but it's matcha tea, green tea, pomegranate tea, raspberry tea. What does it mean? And also had manzanilla and maybe just that, and I don't know. It's a Japanese Camellia green tea. It is a British company. It is from South Korea, and the others one of them, maybe two are from United States of America, or three different brands. This is really good because pomegranate is like a source of antioxidants, as a full source of healthiest antioxidants. It's the best. You don't need to lift the food. Just drink this kind of beverage and you are going to prove yourself. I'm a kind of, I protect myself, I like my life, I like to care what I do with the exercise, with yoga, but a few times when I leave it and all that, I'm still get the overweight, or okay, I'm getting lost weight because I'm drinking this, and it's really happening. It's a fact that you lost weight with the green tea, or with lemon tea, or with the matcha tea, and also it helps with the skin. Lemon, matcha, tea, and green tea. Pomegranate, healthy antioxidants. Matcha and green tea also for the learning process, and raspberry also for the learning process. It's the best. And last thing that I have you in this first video, just those two videos. This of green tea, matcha tea, and this kind of tea that is mint. Mint, I don't know how to say it. It's like mint tea. Mint tea is like this what you get a kind of menta in Spanish is menta. For if you want, if I didn't say the right word in English, it's menta, mint. I think that it's mint or mint. Menta helps you to improve your brain skills. Remember, drinking or this kind of tea, you are going to see the difference. Also, it's good against viruses and bacteria and all that, and it's recognized by the medical institutions and beyond. Even there are plants, there are healthier vegetables or plants that are good for the lungs, like the menta and the eucalypto. This is a kind of how do you say, pomada. It's like of something soft that you cover your skin. You can cover your skin with big vaporub, and then it's going to help you to breathe a bit better. But that's not the point. It's the mind state. Okay. Thank you, my friends. Hello, my friends. Today I'm going to tell you something about the lemongrass tea or the lemon tea and the water lemon. The best for cleaning the blood and the cells. Also, for me, I think that matcha tea and the green tea are really good, but they also is a sweet option, the lemon water or lemon tea, lemongrass tea. But remember, without sugar. Sugar is bad for the nervous system, and the salt for the blood vessels. Okay, I just want to say something. If you want to drink matcha, remember, no more than 3, I don't know, just need to see half teaspoon, just that, half teaspoon, not 1 teaspoon, just must say half teaspoon, 2.5 mililitros, 2.5 mililitros, media taza de té. So my friends, if you want to get matcha tea, a few times we ask, how can we drink it matcha tea? Maybe with Japanese spoon or something like that. But in fact, I have research, and the real situation is that with half teaspoon is enough. For 1 day. In the situation of the matcha, and so in the situation of the matcha, 1/2 teaspoon. If you want to drink a beverage like green tea, just 2 or 3 cups for that day. Or lemongrass is also good. It's delicious, but without sugar. Please, just as healthy as it comes. And remember, the lemons must be younger, must be not old, because if they are old, they are full of chemicals, toxin, garbage. How do you say? It's like unhealthy stuffs within. More you grow up, more your body gets stuffs that you don't need it. I mean, cleaner, less clean. More grow up, less clean. Cleaner within. So a few times we can get younger, and it's with exercise, walking, or running, or how to say, it's like walk but a bit faster. Jogging, walking, jogging, and running. But I prefer the jogging, and jogging is the best. That is more than walking. It's a bit farther than walking. And the green lemon must be with how do you say, no salt lemons. And all your fruits and vegetables that you want must be young. Not young, must be close of the collection from the files of where they were gotten. I mean, more younger the fruits and vegetables are, better are their advantages. The profits of those companies, I don't know. A few of them seems that are good, but beyond that, I think that is for health. If we all think about the health for our people, for our countries and societies, will improve our mental skills, will be more intelligent. It's reading, of course, it's doing exercise like jogging, yoga, mindfulness, or if you want, swimming or taekwondo, it's also great. Or karate, it's great. A few people in the United States of America is a bit stronger and they do more exercise and it's outstanding. But in this time, just is the lemon water, delicious with sugar. And here we have a brand that shows that I have different lemongrass tea. This is one lemongrass tea or just lemon tea that is different because a few of them this grass, and I know that the grass is good because it's healthier and higher. I mean, that is what I read and what I find and what I found, but I don't know. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. Lemon tea and lemon tea. If you have damage in your brain or in your body, if you think that you can go beyond this, if you are in troubles with your brain, you need to do something. There is one fruit or vegetable, I don't know, maybe it's like the tuberculosis, that is called betabel or remolacha. I don't know how to say it in English. Betabel or remolacha. Betabel or remolacha helps you to make new connections in the brain, and it's good for neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. Neuroplasticity and neurogenesis, I don't know how to. Neuroplasticity in Spanish is when the connections between the with the brain cells, the cells of the brain cells that are the axon are connected with other parts of the cells. With the dendritas, and then there is an action potential, electric potential, and make connection, and they are linked, they're vinculated with a few chemical substances. Chemical is neurotransmisores. Brain chemicals that are like factor de crecimiento cerebral. Brain factor growing neurotrophic brain health for something like that. Neurotrophic brain growing neurotrophic. And let me just wait me 1 second. Neurotrophic brain factor. Neurotrophic brain factor. Factor de crecimiento neurotrófico. Factor de crecimiento neurotrófico. Please find it. Neurotrophic brain factor. Please try to find it. And betabel and remolacha in English. Please try to find it. if you want to know more about this. If you want that I find books about mental health, I'm going to do it. I've read a few books about the brain health, about Daniel Kahneman and another neurologist, and I think that is really good, but it must be done with consciousness of what you pretend, what you want for your health. But also you can understand that if you jog, you are jogging, or you are swimming, or you are practicing yoga, or swimming, taekwondo, karate, you are going to do it as good as you want in your own hour. Now I'm going to see goals. Your goals to improve yourself are in your own hands, and now you know it because you always knew it. And just want to say you something. These kind of spoons, you can buy it you can ask to the cooker, to the people that cooks, to the chefs. I don't know how to say, not chefs, for the people that is involved in this situation, that likes to cook, likes the kitchen, or maybe an Amazon or something like that. Spoons for measure. Okay, thank you, my friends. Really, I don't know how to say. I feel thankful. I feel thankful with you. I feel happy because you have watched my channel, and I want to say you something. I hope that you don't have a bad perception of our society. Okay, a few times I have it, because the society a few times is a bit wrong, but everyone is wrong till we can change our perspective, and we have that option, because we have the option to each day. Like we can less weight, we can read a bit more books, and we can practice sport. Each day we can take that action. How can I say? Please give me likes, subscribe, or I don't know, subscribe. Add me in your account if you want more English videos in YouTube, and of course tell me if you want to know about something, or if you are interested in some video in Spanish that you want that I translated into English, or something like that. Thank you, my friends.